we got on the bus to Positano. We both got seats in the front.
Là, 10h30, parce qu'il s'arrête à plus d'endroits que l'autre. Bah ouais.
Now the bus is full.
So we are headed to the meeting point to check into our Airbnb. We just arrived in Positano on the bus. Look at this view. This is where we are. These roads are very narrow and we just had to avoid a bus. So look at this. Look at this beautiful place. And we get to stay here for 4 days. And now we're headed downhill. That's nice.
100 feet.
100 feet, we're almost there.
Point.
Yes. Look at this. How beautiful.
Main stop is Chiesa Nuova.
Yes.
Chiesa Nuova, new church.
Yes. Your stop. Okay. And then in 2 minutes you are in the apartment here.
Oh, look at this.
This stair take direct on the beach. This
Really? Okay. Like 1,000 stairs?
about yes.
1,000?
Okay. Anyway, if you go down, you let me know. Okay. Okay. How many?
No, I like to count stairs.
So here we are. We're staying in Positano at Casa Victoria. This is the entryway to our place. This really cool door.
Hello. Welcome.
All right.
This is an Airbnb, and this whole entry is shared with another apartment. So we booked this place for 4 nights. It comes with a shared washing machine. The downside to our unit is that we actually have to walk out of our doors, across this little hallway, and into the bathroom.
Here's a bathroom, pretty standard. Nice shower, sink towels, all the good stuff. Here's the doorway to the apartment.
So you walk into the bedroom, lots of closet space, and
There
we
is.
have a cooling system,
We have AC in here, that's nice.
and we have AC in the other room, in the kitchen
Yes.
/ living room.
Look at the pretty tiles.
We have a sink and stove and a refrigerator and an oven.
Uh-huh.
And let me show you outside.
Look at that gorgeous view. Amazing. We hang clothes out here.
A little grocery store right near our Airbnb in Positano, because I'll get hit by a bus or a car. But this is where we are. Alimenta something. So we have an Airbnb for 4 nights, so we might as well do a little bit of cooking. So
there's
what do we have?
some like
No, I meant like a little steak or something. It's yummy.
There's some little steaks there too.
Oh, thank you. Which do you want for lunch? Breaded chicken or?
How about the breaded chicken? There you go.
Get that.
Okay.
You want milk? Do we need any milk?
Oh yeah, I think so.
Is that regular milk? Can I see? We're trying to decide on what cheese to get for our pasta. This is €4.65. Should we just get this?
I think that's the one to get. All right.
Okay.
Okay then. Let's see.
What else from here?
There's some yogurt.
You want yogurt for breakfast? There's
I
protein.
think so.
There's a protein pudding you might want.
Cherries.
Do they have garlic? Oh, there's the eggs. Let's not forget eggs.
Oh yeah. Okay. I'll get it right now. Okay. All right.
Great. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Okay. Which way is it? 85 cents. Yeah.
So we just had a successful grocery run.
He is loaded up.
Yes. Now we're headed back down to our place.
Look at that, folks. He's carrying it all. About 25 pounds worth of groceries and wine and milk and waters. This is how we know where our apartment is. Our clothes is hanging. We just got back from the grocery store. We are starving. Is it afternoon? We didn't really have a proper breakfast today.
Right. It's 1 o'clock.
Ooh, that's why we're starving.
Uh-huh.
So we thought we'd make this a combination of grocery haul / cooking video. So we think we bought enough food for 4 days, and we'll probably eat a couple meals out.
Right.
So this is some meatballs. This was 11 euros for 8 meatballs. This is probably going to be at least 2 meals, probably 3 meals for us.
Right. And what do we have here?
Here we have some chicken cutlets breaded. I think that's what we're going to have today. €6.26 for 2 cutlets, and I think I'm going to cook both of them today. I'm trying to get to the pasta so I can actually, let's do this. I already found some pots. This is the biggest pot I found. So we're gonna put this on the stove, get that boiling. An iceberg lettuce and also a little mix of arugula with some other greens because we've had a salad I think every day, have we?
I think we have.
And they've been so delicious.
Haven't
Just
they been?
Olive oil and vinegar.
Right. It's so good.
And so we got those. We also got a chunk of
Oh yes.
mozzarella. This.
That's amazing.
This mozzarella was €5. Now I'm not giving you individual prices for every single item because they all don't have it. This is an onion. Look at this red onion. And we have 3 nectarines. And they priced those all together. $3.81. Here we have some basil that we're going to have with our beautiful tomatoes. Look at this.
Look at those tomatoes. Those are amazing.
So our tomatoes and our mozzarella and our basil.
Yes.
What is this? This is, oh,
Look at those lemons.
look at this. We got
Wow.
3 lemons for €1.98, so €2. And we got some olive oil. I don't know how much that cost. Ah, there's the spaghetti.
There we are.
We got spaghettoni. It's
All right.
it's a thicker one. Okay.
The store we went to has a basement, and that's where all the paper goods are found. So we found some napkins down there. And let's see, then we have a piece of pecorino romano for €65. And let's see, we have a bottle of balsamic vinegar for the salad. Can't wait to taste that. Let's see, we have, here's a bottle of Aglianico wine, €10. And Then we find a liter of milk, and we have 2 bottles of water, a protein drink for me,
How much was that?
€3, and I think that's it. That's our haul.
Okay.
That's
What
a
was
lot.
the grand total?
That's a lot for €74.
€74?
Yes.
So even though my water hasn't started boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and start the chicken. We've got some olive oil. And by the magic of TV, voila, it is
Look at
ready.
that.
Oh. There we go.
All right, so I get the chocolate lettuce for salad. So, there we go.
Plain old iceberg, isn't that funny? We were like, why do these taste so
I
good?
know, it's just iceberg lettuce, but look how good it looks. Really?
We're just starving.
Maybe.
No, but it's tasted so good.
It really has. A little more than that, I think. There we go.
He's gonna chop and rinse. Look at how beautiful this looks. So our pasta is just going to be garlic, and olive oil, and lemon, and some pecorino. That's it.
Yeah.
And we also did laundry today. And look at this view. Look at this beautiful garlic. Look at that.
Oh boy.
So the garlic is going to be for our pasta. Okay, John's doing the honors of the spaghetti. Let's see if he knows how much to put in there. Enough for lunch.
Mm-hmm.
Is that all going to be for lunch? Is that all?
Is that enough? Want a little more? I'll put
No,
more.
that's probably enough.
Okay.
I'd rather have enough. Let's do a little bit more.
Yeah, we'll do a little more.
So we're not going to break it. We're just
Right.
going to let it.
Let it cook and
Let
get
it-
soft and get in there.
That.
Mm-hmm.
Cooking lunch in
Positano.
yum.
Uh-huh. So we are finishing preparing the salad. Lettuce is ready. There's some mixed greens. There's some onions. And then the chicken's done. The pasta is in the middle of getting ready. All right, we got some lemon zest happening here.
A little bit of lemon zest
Mm-hmm.
for the pasta.
Right?
We're working with what we have to work with, folks.
That's right. And then, all right, we have a little more olive oil back in the pan.
A lot.
There goes the garlic. It's looking good.
Want to burn it?
Smells so good.
This much is good.
All right. And look at that
See
pasta.
how this goes.
Yes. Oh.
That.
That is amazing. Look at that. How, that's going to be so good. Mmm. Yum. Yum. All right. And then some cheers of the pasta gods.
A little bit of that.
Okay. And the lemon. Yes, look at that. Oh my goodness. Mmm.
A
That was
little bit
tasty.
more of that in there.
Yep.
The spoonful. Very good. Like that.
That's gonna be so good. Mm-hmm. Boy, that's a gourmet treat right here. And the last piece is some lemonade, lemon soda, and Coke together.
Lemon soda. And some Coke. And here is our lunch. This is our first meal in.
Positano.
There's that. And our salad.
Look how good all this looks.
And one final view before we have our lunch. Look at this. See you in the next video.